If you and your family are ready to move to Medellin, purchase a house that has a ton of space and is move-in ready, then this one is for you. We are MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. We help many foreigners just like you buy property here. It is right in between the El Tesoro Mall and the Santa Fe Mall. Let's go check this one out. Follow me. This is the outside look of the house here. So you have your own garage space here. You also have the garage door, which is electric. And let's step inside because this apartment, wow, it is so amazing. So this house has 3 levels. We're gonna walk downstairs here to the first level, which is the social area, your family area. And immediately as we walk in, just look at all of this space you have around here. You have your own separate dining area here for all your holiday dinners, birthday dinners, family dinners. On this side, you have more of a relaxing living area. You know, when you have family over, you know, you can just kind of post up here, friends and family, and just kind of chit chat and everything, talk about your day. So very cool. Everything that you see here in this house has also been recently remodeled back in October. And the owner was telling me that it is negotiable to sell it furnished. So if you want to avoid the hassle of buying your own furniture, well, then you can put in an offer and negotiate the furniture that you see in this video. So what I like about this house is that it has this backspace area. So this patio alone has 33 square meters of space out here, which comes out to be 355 square feet. And just take a look. You have enough room to possibly put a jacuzzi if you want. You can have your own barbecue set up. I mean, if you have a family, if you have kids, this is probably where you're gonna spend most of your time. I live just with me and my wife and my dog, and we would enjoy this space, and we don't even have kids, but I know if you were to have kids, this space would be awesome. So let's head on over here. We also have a guest bathroom here, and I just love the design. I'll take a look in here. Really love what the owner did here with everything that you see in this video. When it comes to the wallpaper, the painting on the walls, just the little furniture, little decorations as well. I think they did a really good job throughout the entire house here. Now onto the kitchen. Check out this countertop. I love it. You have so much space here, a lot of prep space for family dinners, holiday dinners, right? You have more counter space over here. You have all this storage up here, down here, cabinets, drawers. You know, this kitchen is very functional and it's not separated by any walls as well. And then it comes with the gas stove top as well, and an oven here down below. And then we'll come back here. Here is the laundry area. Great high ceilings, so you can always put a washer dryer stack if you want, or you can just do what they have. You can have the separate units, or you can do a 2-in-1 unit as well. But we'll come upstairs here. And back here we have the maid's quarter, which was recently remodeled, and they actually kind of expanded it a little bit, and it's quite spacious for being a maid's quarter. And then you also have the full bathroom for it as well. So if you have a live-in maid, you can definitely use this for that, or you can change it around, maybe put an office here if you wanted to, or recording studio, just because it's so compact. Right, so let's go down over here and we'll go to the second floor. So about this property, we have 250 square meters, which comes out to be 2,500 square feet. It comes with 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Included in this gated community is 24/7 security. Your HOA comes out to be $293 US a month. So if you're watching this video and you're interested in having a look at this property, go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description and someone will reach out to you. But now let's go upstairs to the second level and take a look at the bedrooms, because I just love the amount of space and natural light that you're getting. Okay, so the first one here, just look how much space, right? You have all this space up here in the high ceilings. You have this big old TV here that you can fit, a nice sliding window that will bring in natural light. You have also with this bedroom, you have a walk-in closet. So you have this walk-in closet with this bedroom, and then it has its own full bathroom as well, which you kind of have with almost every which we have with almost every bedroom. And again, it was recently remodeled here. Love what they did with the mirrors here. Changed the lighting on there, put music if you want. So, you know, you can kind of set it up to your morning routines. So let's head over here. We actually have a guest full bathroom right here, which will work for this bedroom here right next to us. And again, recently remodeled. So let's head over into this bedroom here. Again, the amount of natural light, I love it. You know, if you're a family that is leaving the US or Canada or Europe or wherever your country is, and you want to come and live here in Medellin and you need this amount of space and these amount of bedrooms, I think this property would be for you. You have everything that you need already in this property, and it's turnkey. So let's go over to this side of the property. So we're gonna head up to the 3rd floor here, and this is another living area, which I love. You know, if you have smaller children, maybe you'd set this up more as like a children's playpen, or you can have it set up as they do with the TV, kind of have like a little TV room / movie room, which I think is pretty cool. Or if you need office space, you can set this up as an office if you want. Now over here, we have another bedroom. They have this set up as more like a guest bedroom if they have family, friends coming over. A little bit of an office, studio, workshop area as well. So if you don't need these many bedrooms, then you can kind of do what they did, set up a little workshop area or turn it into a guest bedroom for family and friends that come and visit and stay with you. So let's head over here to the master bedroom. And what I love about this is just the amount of space that you have here, the high ceilings as well. Again, I love the decorations, the backsplash on the wall here. I really love what they did. So, you know, again, this is being sold furnished, negotiable. If you like what you see within the apartment, you can definitely negotiate it. You have this big sliding door here, which would act as your balcony. We're up in the hills of El Poblado, and we're in a gated community, so you're not really gonna have a view of the city. And there's 20 houses in this residential complex, so that means it will be more quiet in this complex. So let's head over to the full bathroom over here and the walk-in closet. Alejo, I'll let you walk in here. And you know, if you need closet space, you have it here with this amount of closet space, and then the full bathroom over here. Just love, again, the decorations, just the theme of the entire property. And I love what they did with the bathroom here, with the shower, everything. Like, if you could kind of come in here. I love this. It has the hose here. You know, I'm tall, 6'4", so this is great height for me, and I know a lot of you that come from the States or Europe or wherever, the shower heads are always too low for us, so I really love how they have that set up. So that's it for this house in El Poblado. Again, we have 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. You're looking at price per square meter about 6.4 Colombian pesos. So if you're interested in this property and you're ready to purchase in the next 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above, and you want to work with our proven system, because we had to create our own MLS here because Colombia doesn't have a traditional MLS. We take your criteria and scan the entire market looking for that property just for you. So when you're ready to purchase, click the link down below in the description, fill out the form, and someone on the team will reach out to you. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Laters.